Hello everyone, I cordially welcome you all to this video, and in this video we are going to discuss how we can center a div within another div in CSS. So in this video we are going to discuss on three major ways by which we can achieve our goal. So let's start. So first of all, I will create a folder named project, and once the folder is created, I will right click on it and click open with code. So this will open our folder in VS Code. So thereafter, we will create a file index.html and another file named as style.css. Okay, so we have created our HTML file and our CSS file. Now first of all, we will write our HTML code. So in the title, I will write tutorials in hand, and within the body section, we will create a parent div. Within this parent div, we will create a child div, and within our child div, we will create an h2 tag, and within this h2 tag, we will write welcome to tutorials in hand. Okay, so this looks pretty good. Now next step, what we need to do, we need to link the CSS file with our HTML file. So let's do it. So here we have linked it. Once this is done, we have to specify our CSS. To achieve our goal, we need to write some boilerplate CSS to actually understand what we are doing. So the first method which we will discuss is using position absolute in the child element. So let's write our CSS. First of all, within the body, I will specify margin as 0 and padding as 0. This will remove default margin and padding set to the browser. Thereafter, within the parent class, we will specify the CSS. I will specify the width as 100%, minimum height as 100 vertical height, and I will here specify a background color just to see the changes we have made. So I am using a color hot pink. Okay. Now it's time for us to achieve our goal. Now in the first process, using position absolute, we will create a child class which we have already created in our HTML file, and within this child, first of all, we will mention as position absolute. Thereafter, we will set the top as 50%. We will set the left as 50%, and within the transform property, we will set translate as -50%, -50%. So yes, we have done our work. Now let's see if it's working. So as you can see, within our parent class, our child class exists, and it is exactly in the center of our web page. So this is the first method by which we can do it. Now we are going to discuss on the second method. In the second method, we actually don't need this child class. What we can do in the second method, we will try to do the same thing using display grid. So in the parent class, write display grid and write place items center. Okay. Now let's see. As you can see, it's still there. Our child element is within the parent element, and it is exactly located at the center position. This is the second way by which we can do it. The first way is using position absolute in child element. The second way is using display grid in the parent element. Now the third way, which is the most modern way and the easiest way to do this, is using display flex in the parent element. So we will write display flex in the parent element, and thereafter we will write justify content center and align items center. Okay. Now let's see our screen. So as you can see, this is still like this. So suppose I am commenting out this CSS just to make you see what the default looks like. So default, it will look like this. So once you do the third method, your child class is within, which is within the parent class, is exactly located at the center of our web page. So this is the three most common ways by which we can achieve this task. First is using position absolute in the child class. Second is using display grid in the parent class. and the third is using displayFlex in the parent class. So I hope you like this video. In case you find this video informative, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We are planning to upload more videos in the upcoming future. And this is for now. See you in the next video. Bye.